Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Alright, so I assume that you already installed this GitHub Copilot and you probably uh, not intentionally disabled this Copilot, and then now you don't see it right here in the bottom right corner, this robot head, which is the icon of GitHub Copilot. All right, what you need to do is simply just head over here to the extensions at the left side menu and type in GitHub Copilot chat. Select this one, as you can see, and now here you will see basically an option, enable AI feature workspace. So just click on that. And now if you look down to the bottom right corner, you will see now this icon right here. Okay, we still have it disabled a little bit. So if you take a look right here, inline suggestions is disabled. What you need to do is just simply click on this checkbox, and now it's enabled basically. So yeah, this is basically pretty much it, how you can enable it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.